Hey everyone, Rowan here. Exciting news. Changing the winch. Circumstances allowed that I can got the opportunity to have a bit of an upgrade for the front of my vehicle. So if you just like to grab something cold, sit back and enjoy the action, we're going to do a winch swap. Pull the old cable off this one. This one's had a bit of use. You see, as you see from various videos of mine, I do like a little bit of winching, mostly recovering other things, occasionally myself, moving trees, moving rocks. So it's now time for a bit of a setup. Got a new winch coming, and you'll see that in a moment, and new rope as well. So I'm going to pull this one off first. Mainly because I want the retainer that's on the end of the drum, but it just makes life easier. Here we go. What we ask is what's in the box. I bet you're all asking yourself at home what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, get you in focus. One Superwinch EXP. It's an EXP 10. It is with a wire cable, but I won't be keeping that one on there for a little while. If you don't know about these things, we've got power ports, LEDs, wireless remote ready, task lighting, Picatinny rails, which I'll be using, automatic clutch. I'll show you that later. Hopefully it should be a great machine to fit onto the front of mine. Right, update what's going on. The cabling that comes with the winch, the power cables, positive and negative, are thinner than I like. Definitely thinner than the heavy duty cabling that I fit to my winch originally when I built my first system for this vehicle. So I have removed the solenoid. What you can do, you can take the cover off, prise it away, and underneath there's a little rubber grommet that sits in there, and you can undo it all. See? So that's the plan. I'm going to keep my original cabling on the vehicle because it's just better. Okie dokie. More updates as we go. But doesn't she look beautiful? Especially with my Picatinny mounts. Okay then, she's in, she's wired. Put my cable in. You go into there. As I was saying, you can see that you can't really see it, but definitely under there. It's all put in there. I've got the negative on, all wired. Plan is now to get the fair lead on. I'm going to show you the next little goodie I've got, because I'm treating this one. As I said, this rope originally came with, this winch comes with wire rope. Why I bought this one? Well, it was cheap. Put it this way, and when unfortunately Superwinch closed, it meant that, well, sadly is that a lot of UK stock got liquidated by the administrator, so I managed to pick this one up cheap. So wire's wire, but I do want synthetic, so pardon the mess. That's 30 metres of English braids, D-tracked, proper synthetic winch line, really strong, a really nice rope. It's an upgrade from my last rope, but I thought I was going to get more serious with this. You've got to have the right kit because you don't want it breaking. And there's an extra treat that doesn't come with the kit, it comes with a roller fair lead. Bought myself a nice Superwinch fair lead as well. How chintzy does that look? But should all be good. Make it all look right, and come the finished product should look great. So let's get all this fitted up and we can start getting it all wound in. So we have it. A much grubbier me, but one installed winch. You see where I've done my light bar, Picatinny rails, it's all wired in nicely. Excuse the rope, you'll see in a moment that I'm going to spool it on nicely, but it's just there for the moment. Fits lovely in a Devon 4x4 bumper. A little bit close at the back, but I just call that well proportioned. So there we go. Superwinch EXP 10, English braids Dyneema rope with the rails for that, and I've got the wireless controller. I'd say a good job done. Thank you very much from me. I'll catch you next time.